Well, May, around here, synonymous with racing. It's also the time when homeowners start planning home renovations and projects.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of one.
Right now.
It's super fun. Those costs also very fun, and the projects, they can be funded in different ways. So we're trying to find out now, what is the best way to pay for those home improvements?
And no better person to ask
Yep.
than Andy Mattingly, our financial expert here. And okay, so what are the options available for me to fund my home improvements?
Well, there are actually 5 different ways. You can save for them, you can use a credit card, personal loan, home equity loan, or even a cash out first mortgage refinance. All of them have different options, and a lot of it depends upon how big the project you're doing, of which one you would choose.
All right, so if you can get out under, let's say, $5,000, what's the best option?
Well, the best option, of course, is to have saved for it. You knew I was going to say that. But sometimes a credit card's a good option because you can get the rewards off of that, and if you're disciplined on paying it off in a couple of years, that's a good option.
So what about a larger project, $10,000 or even more than that?
Yeah, if you're in that $10,000 range, probably still not large enough to use a home equity because the costs for that aren't going to be reaped back. But you can look at a personal loan. They're usually a little bit less expensive than a credit card. Payments can be stretched out over 3 or 4 years and very manageable in a budget.
All right, so let's go really big. Let's go 20 grand. How do you finance those?
Well, that's when you're going to want to use your home equity loan, or you want to do a cash out refinance of your mortgage. Both of those are going to allow you to spread those payments out maybe 15 or 20 years. So your impact on your budget is going to be very little, and you're going to get the value out of that home improvement project.
Okay, so you talk about home equity loans, you talk about the cash out refinance. So what are the special requirements if you want to go that route?
For most lenders, they're only going to lend up to like 95% value of your home. So you have to have enough equity in it to do it. So you've got to make sure you don't exceed that limit so that you can do your project.
Or you just build a new home.
Or you can do that, which is a good option as well.
That's true. Thank you, Andy.
You're welcome.
Yeah, they can get expensive, those projects, I'll tell you. So the warm weather means more